Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have another Hot Wheel case unboxing, and we have a case in. So this case, you can probably see it right there. It arrived with a pretty big ding. There you go. You can kind of see it goes all the way down the side, across the top. And we also have some like creases going across right here as well. This thing is pretty dinged up, or at least it looks like it got dropped on this one corner and kind of smashed the whole end in. So I really hope that all the cars that are on this whole side of the box aren't damaged, which there's a high probability of that happening. But we are going to stay positive. We're going to do an awesome case unboxing, and I hope we get some really cool stuff. I know the super treasure hunt for the N case isn't that exciting, but the regular treasure hunt, I really do want one of those, because I do want to put on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, because every single day I race Hot Wheels. So definitely hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I have a 6-lane raceway. Every day races, like kind of like a weekly tournament, so you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for those. But the positive thing with the box being damaged, also I just realized that this side is also kind of crushed. If we do get some damaged cars, and there are ones I don't already have open, I can then add those to my collection to be able to race on the racetrack. So there is a positive and negative of all this. But if you guys do want to pick up any of the cars that are in this case, I do have them available on my merch store. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can hop on there. And as this video goes live, I already have all those listed. And I only have the good condition ones. So any of the ones that have giant creases or cracked packaging or anything, don't worry about that. None of those are on there. Just the ones that are in great condition. I have a lot of Hot Wheel mainline, premium. I even have some RLC cars on there and a bunch of other collector cars. So definitely go check it out. ShopEmptyParadise.com, or there's going to be that link in the description down below. There we go. Let's get this case opened up and get into it, because I'm actually really excited, and I'm really hoping... there's a couple cars I really would like to put on my 6-lane raceway, so I'm kind of hoping that we do get some of those in this case. But let's start right up on top and see what we got. Oh, wow, this is a great pull. Oh, my gosh. We have the 67 Chevy C10, and then we have the 91 GMC Cyclone, and the Porsche 911 Carrera keychain, and it's the blue and white one. And all of these are actually in great condition, which is really awesome. All right, next up. All right, we have the Ford Performance Supervan 4, the Rapid Pulse, and the 23 Ram 1500. Ooh, okay. We got a quick bite, the Hero Honda Merc, and a BMW M3 wagon in blue. And those wheels actually look really nice. See if I can get that to focus there. Nice. Alrighty. Ooh, okay, we got some nice ones in this pull as well. We have the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar in a nice blue color. Then we have the 2016 Ford GT Race, and then the Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. Alright, we have the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, the Hot Wheels High, and a 92 Dodge Viper RT10. I don't want to jinx it, but so far we don't really have many damaged ones, but I think the majority of the damage is on the other side of the case, so I'm sure we'll probably get there. Alright, so we have the Diora 3, a Batman and Robin Batmobile, and a Dune Daddy. Alright, we have the Proper Chopper, a Surfing School Bus, and a Hot Wheel 4-track. Oh, okay, we got a couple of nice cars in this one. We got the Lamborghini Huracan Storado, which is like the off-road kind of rally version. Then we have the Toyota GR86 Cup, and another Batman and Robin Batmobile. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, this case has a lot of nice cars. We have the 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV, and a 49 Drag Merc, which actually has like that Zamac finish on it, which is really cool. And then a Donut Drifter. Heck yeah! Alright, so we have the 57 Chevy, a Max Steel, but we got the Treasure Hunt, which is the DeLorean DMC, or the DMC DeLorean, and that thing looks absolutely amazing. It is part of the set that's labeled the Hot Wheel Roll in Metal, which is actually the Zamac finish, so you can see it right there. And the real DeLorean actually has a stainless steel finish, so the Zamac is like very similar to that. And right behind the front wheel, you can see the Treasure Hunt logo right there, the little round one. And then whenever we look behind the car, you can see the logo and everything right there on the packaging. Man, this is awesome. I was actually, like, it sounds bad, but I was really hoping for a damaged package on this one because I really do want to open one up and put it on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway to be able to race it with some other cars. But I think this one just looks way too good, and it's so nice and clean. The package is, like, pretty much immaculate. So I'm going to set that aside. I'm going to keep that in my personal collection. But let's go ahead and move on to the rest of the case. Ooh, okay, so we got another Ford Performance Supervan 4, a heavy hitcher, and in matte gray we have the Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Godzilla. This thing looks absolutely amazing. We were seeing that previously in white, but that matte gray looks really good. And this one's also in great condition as well, which is really awesome. Man, I love when awesome cars come in like perfect condition. It's kind of stuck here. Ooh, okay, we got another Toyota GR86 Cup, a 73 Honda Civic Custom, and another Diora 3. It's the first half of the case. I'm going to pull this divider out here. It's kind of sitting in there really weird. Alrighty. Now I'll start right up on top. Alright. Ooh, okay, we got a really awesome car, one of my favorites, but not the Piranha Terror, but the Porsche 911 Rally, which is like the Porsche 911 Dakar, and that's also like the off-road version. So we have the Huracan Storado and the 911 Rally, which are both the kind of supercar off-road rally variants of like the real cars, which I think that one's really cool. And then we also have another Hirohata Merc. Let's see. Alright, we did not get the Super. Man, so there's a Corvette Stingray, a small block, and there is the Solero GT. So that would have been the Super Treasure Hunt for the case, which we did not get it, unfortunately. But I do kind of feel like, in my opinion, it's kind of like a waste of a Super. Let me know what you guys think of that, like this car essentially being the Super. I think like licensed cars are like the best because it's like something that people actually know and they love, not like the generic, or I guess the fantasy cars. But let's go ahead and see what else is in this case because I know there's gonna be some awesome cars. Oh, already we got a couple awesome ones at this pull. There's a Rapid Pulse, but we got the 87 Audi Quattro in black and the Mazda RX3 Mad Mike, and it's the tuned version. That thing looks so cool. Ooh, okay, we got some more nice cars. We got the Hover Storm and the 96 Nissan 180SX Type X. And another Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Ooh, okay, we got another Nissan 180SX and a Surf and School Bus and another Piranha Terror. Oh, that's interesting. Typically when there's a Super, or typically the car that would be the Super Treasure Hunt, there's only one in a case. And we just got another Solero GT. This one's also not the Super Treasure Hunt. So it looks like we had two chances at getting that Super, and we did not get it on both. Because there's another one right there, which is really interesting. We have another Porsche 911 Rally and a 63 Studebaker Champ. Well, honestly, at this point, you never know. Maybe there's a third Solero GT, and maybe that'll be the Super, and we just haven't gotten to it. So, yeah, this might be interesting to see what happens with the rest of this case. We have another Lamborghini Huracan Storado, a Sushi Tuner, and a 23 Ram 1500. We have another 63 Studebaker Champ, a BMW M3 Wagon, and a Dune Daddy. Ooh, okay, this is a nice pull. We got the Custom 72 Chevy Love, the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS finished in that nice red, and then a Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. That thing is amazing. Also another tuned car. We have another Batman Robin Batmobile, another Quick Bite, and another 67 Ford GT40 Mark IV. We just have a few cars left. We have the King Kuda, a 99 Ford F150 SVT Lightning, and another Sushi Tuner. And for the final three cars, we have a small block Revenger ST and a Hot Wheel 450F. Wow, that case was pretty interesting. I was actually really curious about the getting like two Solero GTs, which is kind of weird. And honestly, that damage on the outside of the box looks really bad. It's like a huge dent right there, but then on the inside it just left like a little tiny dent. So it's actually not bad at all. Like, this package actually absorbed a lot of that impact, which is kind of interesting. But like, the majority of these cars are actually in like almost perfect condition. There's like a couple that had like little dented corners, but none of like the really cool cars. But let me know what you guys think of the treasure hunt that I did get, the DMC DeLorean. That thing is like one of my favorite cars of all time, like in real life. So seeing this one looks really cool, and such a cool color scheme as well. But if you guys did like this video, go down and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like button while you're at it. I have a bunch of Hot Wheel videos coming all the time, bunch of collector cars and like all kinds of cool stuff. I even have these Mega Block cars that have like the little Hot Wheel version of it as well, and I even have some more sitting over here on the shelf. I do have a bunch of those videos on my channel, and like I said, Hot Wheel races every single day, so definitely check those out. But make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, but as always, thank you for watching.